Caroline, New York, a tiny town of less than 3,000 people.
I love the land and the people here.
I love that my kids have spent their lives running around in these woods.
There's a certain independence, there's a certain self-reliance that I very much respect.
But this is a town at war with itself.
They're gonna do it. Bullshit. If it isn't broke, don't fix it.
A war over zoning. That's right, zoning.
We don't need more working against us.
They're worried about changing the character of the town. We're worried about them changing the character of the town.
Neighbor against neighbor, friend against friend.
All right, Nolan, so let me show you how this little guy works. Woo, buddy!
What in the world am I getting myself into?
Are you opposed to zoning as well? I'll give you another one if you say no zoning.